It is March the 8th, 2024, and it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. It's Friday.
I hear a train a-comin', a-rollin' around the bend. I ain't seen no sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps on rollin' down to San Antone. When I just was a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever when I hear that I have my I bet there's rich folk eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. One more time. Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train were mine, I bet I'd move it a little further on down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. Away. I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. They freed me from this prison. Have my empire up there. I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.
That's the first time using the new tripod ball joint head thing that lets it twist and turn and swivel and all that. I wasn't ready for that shot. It was March the 8th, 2024. Isn't that crazy? 2024. Train station in the West Island of Montreal, and I have a new ball joint head on the tripod. It's newer, and it can swivel 360 and up and down any way. I've been here, I think, 3 or 4 times now, and I haven't had a train on this side once. So it's coming 3 or 4 times, waiting 2 hours at a time, bringing all the gear, setting it up, staying out of the way, being safe, and hoping to get a train on this side with the light in the right way. It's fun. It's fun to get outside. Happy spring, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. First time using the new ball head tripod mount. It goes 360 and swivels everywhere. It's made of steel and metal. It's really good. You can attach everything to it. It's pretty funky. Train is on our side, I think. We waited like 2 weeks. I've been about 4 or 5 times, and I think the train is finally a freight on our side. Really smoothly, I can adjust and set it to a whole bunch of different things, and it's super, super smooth. Super happy with it. World of difference. I just discovered that in the new filter I bought, which is variable, it means it can go dark or light, neutral density. It has a hair in it, and then I looked, if you take a photograph like with lots of sunlight, you can see the hair, so I'm going to have to return it. And I got a clip for the camera. I'm just getting little things to the camera. I bought a clip, and the clip cuts your finger open. It's unpolished steel, and it didn't fit. The Arca Swiss square thing was like a billionth of a millimeter off, like they didn't cut it properly. So I returned it, and the cool thing is you can return your Amazon goods to Couche-Tard if you put the product was faulty, and you just bring it to Couche-Tard and they scan the code on your email and then they send it back. Very happy with this ball head tripod thing. So I'm gonna go now. I'm exhausted. I did an hour-long interview with my mom yesterday, and I'm gonna go edit it later. So take care. Walk tall. Oh yeah. Let's try it with shadow this time. I've never done a shadow one. Power of the cane. If you like this video, click here on the speaker to subscribe. Click over here on the bass guitar for my website. Tons of cool stuff. Most of it free. Almost all of it free. Even all the music. And down here for a cool video. That doesn't look good. Okay. Larry, cut!